Welcome to Vedic Mathematics for Schools. Today we are beginning with lesson 1, and this lesson is beginning from the very beginning with Vedic Ganita Sutra 1. There are 16 sutras and 13 upsutras. First sutra text is Eka Adhi Ken Urve. The text as such well indicates Ek, Adhik and Purv, one more than the previous. Vedic mathematics is a mental mathematics, and its initiation, its beginning is with this sutra Eka Adhike Purve, and as the text indicates, it has a formulation Ek, and it is Adhik, and it is Purv. Simple translation of it is Ek one, Adhik more, and Purv the previous. Therefore, this simple rule is available to us, and we have to initiate ourselves. We have to learn how to apply this sutra, this formula, this process, this method, this technique. The application of this rule, one more than previous value or a number. When we have yet to begin, that means the previous state is 0, and we are reaching at 1. Therefore, we have to understand as that this rule takes us from 0 to 1. Now when we will apply this, taking this as a previous value, that means if we are at 1, then this sutra will take us to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 more than the previous one. That means we are having addition here to the previous value. Now if we take 2 as the previous value, then 2 plus 1 will take us to 3. Like that, it will be a very, very blissful exercise for us to sequentially reach from 0 to 1, then to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Therefore, at this initial stage, let us take that the beginning of applications of this sutra, Eka Adhikain, we want to put them in a particular basket. We will see the basket is empty, means there is 0 number. Step ahead, we will pick up another pebble and we'll put it in the basket, and now our basket is having 2 pebbles. Like that, we can take pebbles from this heap one by one and we can put them into the basket, and all pebbles of the heap will come in the basket, and in the process we will be having a counting of second exercise in terms of which we can appreciate the is that we can associate roll numbers to them. So we will ask one of us, a student of a class, and we can assign him, we can ask and to pick up his roll number slip, and we can put along a 2 as previously, and now at the next stage 1 more than the previous one. As such, is really a very good exercise. In terms of it, we can have proper comprehension, full appreciation of the working rule of Ganita Sutra 1. When we come to the class, then we can say that we are attending period 1, the first period in the school. When we say it is the first period, that means to this period we are associating number 1. After this class, this period is over, we will enter the next period, the next class. This next period being following the first period, so it will become the second period, and it being 1 more than the previous period, so it will get 2 and we will designate it as a second period. Like that, we can associate numbers. We can serial the periods as the first period, second period, third period, and so on. See, This sutra is very beautifully helping us to have proper sequence of the periods of a day. Like that, we can have the weekdays counts as the first day, say it is Monday, then the second day, say it is Tuesday. So when we say it is a second day, that simply means that it is having one step ahead, we'll go to the third day, and like that we'll reach the sixth day, Saturday, the working day, and even ahead we'll go to the seventh day as the Sunday, and then first week will be complete. If first week is complete, then naturally, very blissfully, we will be having an idea, we will be understanding as that now is to follow the second week. It will be a second week, and then it is also complete. We will reach the third week. And the fourth week, when the month will be complete. And then from the first month, we will reach the second month, and so on. The 12th month and year will be complete. And we will be having complete course of our class, and from class 1 we will have new class, we will go to class 2, and like that we'll complete all the courses of our school of class 12. This way you see we are having many applications of this sutra, and these applications are really giving us a bliss as that we are mathematizing our whole activities, and this will take us to say, if we go to a clock, see how the clock is doing this mathematics. This clock is taking us from first hour to the second hour to the third hour of the day, and so on. This clock is our practical model of Ekadhike. We have to be very thankful to the makers of a class, the timetable makers, and the clock. Whenever you look at the clock, you remind yourself that it is doing the mathematics of Ekadhike. Now, let us go a step ahead. Say our house is in a particular street. Our house is at this place. We want to go to the house of a neighbor, the next. So we can say our house is